Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll walk you through the steps to change your email address in Trello. Whether you're updating to a new email or switching accounts, this guide will help you do it quickly and easily through your Atlassian account settings. Let's get started. Open Trello in your browser and sign into your account. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Manage Account. At the top of the page, click on the Email section. Scroll down and enter your new email address in the provided field. Click on Save Changes to confirm. Check your new email inbox for a verification email from Atlassian. Open the email and click the verification link. You will be asked to enter your current Trello password. Do that, then click Confirm. Your email address has now been successfully updated. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more useful tech tutorials. Let us know in the comments if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos.